You ever wonder why some engines just refuse to die? That old truck with 300,000 miles that still fires up every morning without a complaint? Today we're counting down the absolute legends, the 20 most bulletproof American engines ever built during the 20th century. These aren't just good engines. These are the unkillable workhorses that powered America for decades. Forget fancy technology and computerized everything. These engines were built on simple principles, overbuilt components, robust design, and engineering that prioritized longevity over squeezing out every last horsepower. And the proof is in the numbers. Hundreds of thousands of miles, minimal maintenance, engines that outlasted the bodies they were mounted in. Let's dive into automotive history and count down from 20 to 1. I guarantee some of these will surprise you, and others will confirm what you've known all along. Number 20. Mercury 390 V8, 1966 to 1976. Starting our countdown is the often overlooked Mercury 390 V8. This engine earned its reputation through a decade of service, delivering both strong power output and impressive durability. Unlike some engines that sacrifice reliability for performance, the 390 managed to balance both effectively. What made it special? Its robust construction gave it the strength to handle significant power while still maintaining reasonable longevity. Found in various Mercury models through the late 60s and early 70s, it wasn't the flashiest engine of its era, but owners who had one knew they had a dependable power plant under the hood. Number 19. Buick Nailhead V8, 1953 to 1966. The Buick Nailhead got its nickname from its unusually small valve stems that look like, you guessed it, nailheads. But don't let that fool you. This engine was known for delivering serious torque and surprising reliability. These engines were particularly famous for their smoothness. The Nailhead's design prioritized low-end torque over high RPM horsepower, making them ideal for everyday driving. Their robust bottom end and durable components meant they could soldier on for years with basic maintenance. Buick engineers designed these engines with longevity in mind, and drivers who owned cars with the Nailhead often reported trouble-free operation well into high-mileage territory. Number 18. Ford FE Big Block V8, 1958 to 1969. Ford's FE series, standing for Ford Edsel, represented a significant engineering achievement. These engines powered everything from family sedans to legendary muscle cars like the Mustang GT390 and the iconic GT40 race car. The FE series featured a robust Y-block design that provided excellent structural support for the crankshaft. This fundamental strength meant these engines could withstand significant punishment while continuing to perform reliably. What's truly impressive is how versatile these engines were. They could be found in everything from pickup trucks to luxury cars, proving their adaptability and inherent reliability across various applications and driving conditions. Number 17. Cadillac V8, 1949 to 1959. When Cadillac introduced their overhead valve V8 in 1949, it was nothing short of revolutionary. This pioneering design helped set the template for American V8s for decades to come. These engines were engineering marvels for their time, smooth, relatively powerful, and impressively durable. They powered Cadillac's luxury vehicles through the 1950s, offering owners both performance and peace of mind. What made them special was their advanced, for the time, design coupled with conservative tuning and robust construction. Cadillac wasn't interested in building engines that wouldn't last. These were premium vehicles that needed to deliver premium reliability, and these early OHV V8s delivered exactly that. Number 16. Chrysler Hemi V8, 1951 to 1971. The original Chrysler Hemi engines weren't just powerful, they were engineered to last. With their iconic hemispherical combustion chambers that gave them their name, these engines offered exceptional breathing capabilities and thermal efficiency. While they're most famous for their performance credentials, what's often overlooked is how durable these engines were when properly maintained. Their robust bottom end and overbuilt components could handle significant power while still maintaining longevity. The early Hemi found its way into various Chrysler, Dodge, and Plymouth vehicles, earning a reputation not just for power, but for being engines that could run for decades with basic care. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying this countdown of America's most reliable engines. We're just getting started. Number 15. Chevrolet Iron Duke, 1977 to 1993. Not every reliable engine needs 8 cylinders. The Chevrolet Iron Duke 4-cylinder proved that point emphatically during its impressive 16-year production run. Designed during the fuel crisis, this engine prioritized efficiency and durability above all else. Its cast iron construction and under-stress design meant it could run practically forever with minimal attention. The Iron Duke wasn't about excitement. It was about starting every morning without fail, year after year. Found in countless GM vehicles from Camaros to Pontiac Fieros, these engines routinely surpassed 200,000 miles while requiring little more than basic maintenance. It wasn't the most powerful engine on our list, but for pure, stubborn reliability, the Iron Duke earned its place in automotive history. Number 14, Ford Modular V8, 4.6 liters, 1991 to 2000. As we entered the modern era, Ford's 4.6-liter modular V8 represented a significant step forward in design and manufacturing techniques while maintaining the reliability that had become expected of American V8s. These engines featured in everything from Crown Victorias to Mustangs, becoming known for their durability and longevity. Police departments around the country came to rely on the 4.6-liter in their Crown Victoria Interceptors, subjecting these engines to some of the most demanding service conditions imaginable. What made these engines special was their ability to handle this punishment while still delivering hundreds of thousands of miles of service. With proper maintenance, these engines could easily exceed 200,000 miles, with many surpassing 300,000 miles in taxi and police service. Number 13, AMC V8, 1956 to 1991. American Motors Corporation might not have had the resources of the Big Three, but they knew how to build engines that lasted. The AMC V8 family, produced from 1956 to 1991, earned a reputation for being solid, dependable power plants. These engines weren't the most powerful or the most sophisticated, but they excelled in one critical area. They just kept running. With good torquey characteristics and sturdy construction, AMC V8s powered everything from family sedans to rugged Jeeps. What's impressive about the AMC V8 was its ability to soldier on with minimal maintenance, often in challenging conditions. Jeep owners particularly came to appreciate the resilience of these engines when subjected to off-road abuse. Number 12, Pontiac V8, 1950 to 1981. Pontiac's V8 engines hold a special place in American automotive history. Unlike some manufacturers who built different block designs for different displacements, Pontiac maintained consistent external dimensions across their V8 family, changing only the bore and stroke to alter displacement. This consistency meant that Pontiac developed significant expertise with their fundamental design, refining it over decades of production. The result was a family of engines known for their robust construction and impressive reliability. From the GTO to the Trans Am, these engines delivered both the performance Pontiac was known for and the dependability that owners came to expect. With proper maintenance, Pontiac V8s routinely delivered hundreds of thousands of miles of service. Number 11, Oldsmobile Rocket V8, 1949 to 1990. The Oldsmobile Rocket V8 was groundbreaking when introduced in 1949 as one of the first post-war overhead valve designs from General Motors. Its 41-year production run speaks volumes about the fundamental soundness of its engineering. These engines gained a reputation for their exceptionally smooth operation, often described as velvety. They combined this refinement with impressive reliability, becoming a mainstay in Oldsmobile's lineup for decades. Powering everything from the 88 to the Cutlass, the Rocket V8 represented American engineering at its finest, prioritizing both performance and longevity. Many owners reported exceeding 200,000 miles on their Rocket V8s with minimal issues, a testament to Oldsmobile's commitment to quality engineering. If you're getting value from this countdown, take a second to hit that subscribe button. We've got tons more content like this coming your way. Number 10, Chevrolet Big Block V8, 1965 to 1996. Breaking into our top 10 is the legendary Chevrolet Big Block V8. While most famous for powering muscle cars like the Chevelle SS and Corvette, these engines also proved remarkably reliable in more mundane applications like trucks and family cars. What made the Big Block special was its robust construction. These engines were built with significant safety margins, meaning they could handle both high-performance applications and the daily grind of truck duty without breaking a sweat. The 454 cubic inch variant in particular earned a reputation for combining impressive power with surprising longevity. With basic maintenance, these engines could easily surpass 200,000 miles, with many going much further. It's no wonder they remained in production for over 3 decades. Number 9, Ford Windsor V8, 1968 to 2000. The Ford Windsor 5.0 302 cubic inches stands as one of the most versatile and reliable V8s ever produced. From Mustangs to F-150 pickups, this engine powered a vast array of Ford vehicles over its remarkable 32-year production run. What made the Windsor special was its perfect balance between performance potential and everyday reliability. Its thin wall casting made it lighter than some competitors, but clever engineering ensured it maintained the durability Ford owners expected. The 5.0 achieved legendary status in the Fox Body Mustang, but its reliability credentials were earned across millions of vehicles. Countless owners reported exceeding 200,000 miles with minimal issues, a testament to the fundamental soundness of its design. Number 8. Chrysler LA V8, 1964 to 1991. Chrysler's LA V8 family, and particularly the 318 cubic inch variant, earned a reputation as the unsung hero of the muscle car era. While not as glamorous as some higher displacement engines, the 318 combined adequate power with exceptional reliability. What made these engines special was their straightforward design and robust construction. With their cast iron blocks and heads, plus large bearings, they were built to last. The 318 in particular was deliberately understressed, enhancing its longevity significantly. Many owners reported going years between service intervals without encountering problems. This exceptional toughness made the 318 the best-selling V8 engine of its time, powering everything from the Dodge Charger to the Ram pickup trucks. Number 7. Ford Flathead V8, 1932 to 1953. Sometimes the oldest designs prove to be among the most reliable. The Ford Flathead V8, introduced in 1932, revolutionized the automotive industry by making V8 power accessible to the masses. But beyond its historical significance, this engine earned a reputation for remarkable durability. Its simple design made it easy to repair and maintain, even with the limited tools many owners had access to at the time. Many versions used durable timing gears instead of chains, further enhancing reliability. The Flathead's 21-year production run speaks to its success, powering countless Ford vehicles through the Great Depression, World War II, and beyond. Henry Ford's last major engineering project proved to be one of his most enduring legacies. Number 6. Buick 3800 V6, 1988 to 2008. Breaking into our top 6 is the only V6 on our list, the exceptional Buick 3800. This engine became a mainstay across GM's lineup, powering everything from Buicks to Pontiacs to Chevrolets with remarkable reliability. What made the 3800 special was its combination of iron block and heads with a relaxed state of tune, creating an engine that was both fuel-efficient and nearly indestructible. The Series 1 and Series 3 variants in particular earned reputations for exceptional toughness. Named one of Ward's 10 best engines of the 20th century, the 3800 V6 routinely delivered over 200,000 miles of trouble-free operation. With over 25 million units produced, it stands as one of GM's most successful engines ever. Number 5. AMC Jeep 4-liter inline 6, 1986 to 2006. The AMC Jeep 4-liter inline 6 has achieved almost mythical status among off-road enthusiasts for its incredible reliability. Building on AMC's inline 6 heritage, this engine received modern updates like electronic fuel injection in the 1980s. What made it special was its perfect combination of torque, smoothness, and seemingly indestructible nature. Its simple single overhead cam design and solid cast iron construction meant it could take incredible abuse while continuing to perform. The inherent balance of an inline 6, coupled with 7 main bearings, gave it exceptional smoothness while reducing wear. Countless Jeep owners have reported exceeding 300,000 miles without major rebuilds, making this engine a true legend in reliability circles. Number 4. Ford 300 inline 6, 1965 to 1996. The unkillable Ford 300 cubic inch inline 6 stands as one of the most durable engines ever produced. Serving as the workhorse in Ford's truck lineup for decades, this engine became synonymous with reliability and longevity. Its overbuilt construction and robust design meant it could withstand incredible abuse. Unlike many pushrod engines that use timing chains, the Ford 300 employed virtually indestructible timing gears, significantly reducing the risk of catastrophic failure. Famous for powering everything from F-Series trucks to the iconic brown UPS delivery vehicles, these engines routinely exceeded 300,000 miles with minimal issues. A version even won the grueling Baja 1000 race 3 times, proving its exceptional durability under extreme conditions. Don't miss out on future videos like this. Hit subscribe now. Number 3. Chrysler Slant 6, 1959 to 2000. Breaking into our top 3 is the legendary Leaning Tower of Power, Chrysler's Slant 6. With an incredible 41-year production run, this distinctive engine with its 30-degree tilted cylinder bank earned a reputation for near indestructibility. What made it special was its incredibly robust design and effective cooling and oiling systems. The deep skirt block provided exceptional structural support for the crankshaft, while the slanted design allowed for a lower hood line in the vehicles it powered. Owner stories about the Slant 6 have become legendary. Tales of engines running with minimal oil pressure or surviving extreme neglect are common. One 1963 Plymouth Fury taxi reportedly achieved an astounding 1.63 million miles on its Slant 6, admittedly with 4 rebuilds, but still averaging 400,000 miles per rebuild. Number 2, Chevrolet Small Block V8, 1950 to 1997. Just missing the top spot is the iconic Chevrolet Small Block V8, perhaps the most influential American engine ever produced. With over 100 million units manufactured, its impact on automotive history cannot be overstated. What made it special was its fundamentally sound design, featuring a durable cast iron block and heads. Its relatively simple construction made it both reliable and easy to repair when needed. Named one of the 10 best engines of the 20th century by Ward's Auto World, the Small Block's reputation is well-deserved. From Corvettes to Camaros to countless trucks, these engines powered America for decades. There are documented cases of small block V8s exceeding 1 million miles without major repairs, including a 1991 Chevrolet C1500 pickup that reportedly achieved this milestone. Number 1. GMLS V8, 1997 to 2000. Taking the crown as the most reliable American engine of the 20th century is the revolutionary GMLS V8. Though only introduced in 1997, this engine represents the pinnacle of American V8 development in the 20th century, building on decades of experience while incorporating modern technology and manufacturing techniques. The LS engine family featured advanced design elements and superior metallurgy compared to its predecessors, resulting in exceptional durability under all conditions. These engines routinely exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, with many going much further. What makes the LS special is its ability to handle significant power increases without sacrificing reliability. Its robust bottom end and excellent oiling system create an engine that refuses to die, even when pushed far beyond factory specifications. The LS has become the go-to engine for swaps into virtually any vehicle, a testament to both its compact design and, most importantly, its unmatched reliability. It represents everything great about American engineering: simple, robust, powerful, and built to last. If you enjoyed this journey through the most bulletproof American engines ever built, you'll definitely want to check out my video on the 10 fastest police cars of all time. Many of these reliable workhorses actually powered law enforcement vehicles that had to be both dependable and fast. Hit that subscribe button, then head over to watch how these engines performed when they were tasked with catching the bad guys. The link is in the description below. See you there.